Hello, you beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I am Krisha, and as you can see, I'm sitting with probably the most gorgeous hair. And thanks to the Dyson Airwrap, you know how much I love this. And since the time I have gotten my hair shorter, the Dyson is looking even more beautiful on my hair. Today, I have actually styled my hair using the Dyson Airwrap, and this is the outcome of my hair. So if you want to know how I styled my hair, then please keep watching. My hair is kind of damp. I'm going to start off with this mousse that I have from Vella. It's the extra volume mousse. I'm going to just shake it up a bit. This is the first time I'm actually using this. I've heard like this is a hell lot of a product. I'm going to put it in my hair like that. Ooh, this smells so good. This is the first time I've actually got products, which are for hair. I'm not somebody who likes to use all of these things. I just hope this doesn't make my hair super hard. This mousse is supposed to give you extra volume and hold your hair for a very long time. So let's see. But recently, since the time I have gotten shorter hair, the Dyson styling has become so much easier and it looks so beautiful on my hair. I'm going in with this heat protectant from Be Blunt, and I'm going to go very crazy with it. And I'm going to tuck this side of the hair away. I always use like huge claw clips because of the volume of my hair. Taking the front money pieces and tucking them away too. Okay, my look is kind of weird, but I assure you that it's going to be worth a little bit of drying the hair first. I always try it on medium heat. That's it. I just dry them a little bit, and I'm going in with this thick barrel now, and I'm going to start sectioning my hair one by one. One pro tip on making your Dyson styling last longer is that use the Dyson every time you wash the hair. I'm going in with this side of the barrel, full heat, full fan. I take this part, I hold it from here and put it on. And this is how it looks. I actually love going in with the thick barrel. It gives like such a good blowout. I make sure that all of the hair that I'm doing are like coming closer to my face so that the bounce goes really up. Now that this section is done, I'm going to clip it up very carefully, making sure that all of this stays as is. I'm going to take the money piece from this side now and just clip this to this side. Again, going in with my heat protectant and just going crazy a little bit over because, yeah, no hair damage at all. Twisting the barrel to the other side, repeating the same process on this side too. Both the sides of my hair are done. Now at this point, I'm going to clip the hair. I go with the same where you know, my hair is going around this side, and I'm just going to wrap it around. This is how it looks right now. It looks very, very funny, but I'm going to again put it on and leave my hair like this. I'm going to give it a bit of tension here like this. Just going to hold it and pull. I'm taking this claw clip off. And this is the final look of me styling my hair using the Dyson Airwrap. I'm absolutely in love. If you have seen my previous video, you know that I love the Dyson Airwrap so much. And yeah, I love the volume that it gives me. This was also my first time trying the Vela mousse. I will have to give it a little more time to see how it performs and everything, but I think I did overuse it. My hair looks a little bit crunchy from behind, which I'm going to fix it. But yeah, I love how they look, and they are so nice and bouncy. I cannot keep my hands away from it. To be honest, if you haven't got the Dyson Airwrap yet, you should, or you should just blackmail somebody to gift it to you, because that is absolutely what I did. Some of my pro tips for using the Dyson Airwrap is that always use it on wet hair, preferably on days you have just washed your hair, because that gives such a gorgeous look. I mean, you can see it. Even though the Dyson uses very minimal amount of heat, make sure you always use a good heat protectant. I used to use the Tony and Guy earlier, but it didn't like perform really well for me, and I have switched to BBlunt since a very long time, and this works really well for me. And also, I don't think it is necessary to use any kind of hair mousse or hair sprays to make sure that your hair stays. I think the best tip I can give you is that just wash your hair, give it a great blow dry, and just clip them up really beautifully until the time you have to like start getting ready to wherever you're going out. And I assure you, your hair is going to look flawless. It's going to look beautiful, bouncy, and everybody's going to ask you like, what the hell did you do to your hair? Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram on @other side of Krishi. I'm going to see you very soon. Until then, bye.